Fantastic. The benefits of heavy jump rope: more muscle engagement, better, tighter form. Mainly, you can feel the burn in your forearms, shoulders, chest, core, glutes. Don't go too hard on yourself just because you see somebody else in YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook doing those fancy moves. Everybody is different. Everybody's body is different. Everybody's fitness level is different. The only person who knows the best about your body is yourself. Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Today is a bright sunny day and I thought the video will come out very well in this natural lighting. So today I thought we will talk about heavy jump ropes, the benefits of heavy jump rope, why I feel all of us should incorporate a heavy jump rope in our jump rope workouts. There are a few videos I have made on heavy jump ropes, but I thought let me make one video where I put across all my thoughts on the benefits of heavy jump rope for your ready reference. Well, I have been using heavy jump ropes for the last 4 years and I continue to enjoy using heavy jump ropes, and I feel I see personal benefits from using heavy jump ropes. I had recently posted a video on the physics of jumping rope. What are the forces which are at play when we are using a heavy jump rope? The forces specifically were centripetal force, centrifugal force and gravity, and how these forces multiply when we use a heavy jump rope, which mainly comes from the mass or the weight of the heavy jump rope. I will link that video somewhere here for you to check it out. It's a video which I enjoyed making, and from the comments I feel many of you liked the video also. I have brought along with me a few heavy jump ropes from my collections for demonstration in this video. For example, this is the 3-pound heavy Crossrope jump rope. This I think is the 1-pound heavy jump rope. This is the Boxer Muay Thai heavy jump rope. The reason I brought these 3 heavy jump ropes is to convey the point to you that heavy jump ropes are available at different price points. As you know, Crossrope heavy jump ropes, which is my personal favorite, but it sells at a different price point. If that price point is of not comfort to you, there are other jump ropes, good heavy jump ropes, which are at other price points, which is accessible to many of us. I will link that video also of 3 heavy jump ropes which are affordable and accessible. This is a 5mm PVC light jump rope, which all of us are familiar with. We will start the jumps with this light PVC jump rope, and then we will move on to the heavy jump ropes and talk about the differences which come into play when we start using the heavy jump ropes. What do we do with the light jump rope? Of course, yes, we jump, low jumps, soft jumps, but if you see the hand movement, it is largely the wrist which is spinning the rope. The wrist which is spinning the rope. It's a great form of cardio, a great way to lose weight, a great way to maintain weight, improve your stamina, improve your endurance, improve your energy, improve your metabolism, improve your sleep. The benefits are plenty, and it is not a very high impact workout if we do it right, mainly focusing on our low and soft jumps, not making contact with our heels when we land, and ensuring that only the front portion of our feet is what is rebounding from the ground. So if we take care of these small tips, it's a medium impact workout, and you have a decently long jump rope session with breaks or without breaks. It will do a lot of magic to your body. So I would just like to touch upon a point we spoke. In the case of light jump ropes, the spin is mainly coming from the wrist. There is not much of a muscle activation in the case of a light jump rope, but certainly yes, it gets your heart racing. It's a great cardio, great for your cardiac health and overall for your body. We just did some jumps with the light PVC jump rope. Now let us shift to an extremely heavy jump rope. This is a 3-pound heavy jump rope from Crossrope, and I will talk you through the differences when we shift from a light jump rope to a heavy jump rope. Let us start with some jumps. Okay, I hope you noticed the first thing, the change which we bring in when we use a heavy jump rope is the grip. I prefer going for a power grip, which is like this. Power grip. When we were using the lighter PVC jump rope, we were using what is more like a handshake grip. It was like this. Our thumb was resting on the handle, and we were having a light grip of the handle, and the action was more like a flick with the wrist. But when we are using the heavy jump rope, we were not flicking the wrist. We were actually doing a full arm movement. The reason for that is this is a very heavy rope, a 3-pound rope. If you are going to depend only on the wrist to spin it, we can still do it like this. If you notice, I'm not able to spin as fast as in the case of a power grip with a full arm movement compared to a wrist movement. The wrist strains very quickly because the load on the wrist, the wrist is actually fighting or resisting the forces of the rope. If you are just going to use the wrist, it can be damaging to the wrist if our wrists are not strong enough, which I guess would be the case with most of us. So what we do is we go for a full arm movement. When we go for a full arm movement, what is happening? The movement of the rope from the hand, it's actually originating from the shoulder. So what are we doing? We are doing a shoulder activation. Not only that, to get this action moving, our chest is also engaged. And in all jump rope moves, it is very good to keep our glutes and core engaged also. Let us do it one more time. Yes, I've been doing it for quite some time. So as soon as I switch to a heavy rope, I can automatically feel my chest muscle engagement, my shoulder engagement, and in fact I can feel a lot of burn in forearms. So if you are shifting from light jump ropes for the first time to heavy jump ropes, what you can expect is you'll feel a lot of strain in your forearms, you'll feel a lot of strain in your shoulder, and if you're a wrist mover, you'll feel a lot of strain in the wrist. So my recommendation is, if you're newly getting into heavy jump ropes, don't panic from all these discomforts or pains. It happens to everybody. It happened to me also. Reduce the number of jumps. Take breaks between the jumps. Over days, over weeks, over months, your body will get used to it. You can start increasing your jump count with heavy jump ropes also. Now let us go for another heavy jump rope. Let us call this a very heavy jump rope. Let us go from a very heavy jump rope, which was the 3-pound rope, to this medium heavy 1-pound rope. This is also a heavy rope, but compared to a 3-pound beast, this is more like a tamed domestic animal. That's a wild beast. You can immediately feel the speed and the lightness of this heavy 1-pound rope because we moved down from a 3-pound to a 1-pound rope. See, 1-pound rope is okay. I'm okay with doing the wrist spins also. Feels good. I've actually shortened the rope a lot. This was originally a 9-pound rope. I've tied 2 knots and it's become pretty short. It kind of ends around my belly button or navel area. The shorter the rope, it spins faster. That is again physics. Nice. So we tried heavy jump ropes, both from Crossrope. Like I told earlier, Crossrope heavy jump ropes are top quality, top-notch build, fantastic fit, fantastic finish, and they last very, 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 very long. But I agree, it is not at a price point where many of us can buy. So what are the other alternatives? We'll talk about another of my favorite heavy jump rope, which is very affordable, and it has been with me for about 4 years. This, my friends, is the Sanguine Boxers Muay Thai heavy jump rope, one of my favorite affordable heavy jump ropes. There are detailed videos on this jump rope in the channel. This is a rope I bought about 4 years back, and I'm very impressed with the quality of the rope. I have made many videos in this channel. Check them out. See, this is a 500-gram rope. Let us jump with this. Again, having moved on from a heavy rope, first with a 3-pound rope, then a 1-pound rope, and then to this 500-gram rope, this feels feather light. And here also I'm comfortable using the wrist spins. With these ropes also, you can clearly feel the burn on your forearms, bit of shoulder engagement, bit of chest engagement. Not as heavy as in the case of a 3-pound rope. I'm very comfortable doing almost all the moves that I know with this 500-gram rope. I can do it with my 1-pound rope also, but I've tied it and made it very short. I'm a bit scared to go for double unders with my shorter 1-pound rope. I don't want a whack on the back of my head with a 1-pound rope which is going at, say, maybe 200 RPM. So friends, those were some jumps with heavy jump ropes. Back to our PVC jump rope, which is a favorite for majority of us. I really love these ropes. Fantastic. So those are the benefits of heavy jump ropes. Just recapping those in bullet points. More muscle engagement, better tighter form. Mainly you can feel the burn in your forearms, shoulders, chest, core, glutes. Only thing to ensure, which is applicable to all the ropes, is keep your jumps low, keep your jumps soft, jump only on the front portion of your feet. Don't make heel contact while you're jumping. Don't be flat-footed when you're jumping. If you're flat-footed or you're making heel contact while you're jumping, perfect recipe for an injury. So take care of those basic things. Keep the intensity at a level which your body appreciates. Don't go too hard on yourself just because you see somebody else in YouTube, Instagram or Facebook doing those fancy moves. Everybody is different. Everybody's body is different. Everybody's fitness level is different. The only person who knows the best about your body is yourself. Don't compare progress. Start small. Keep adding time to your workouts. Keep increasing the number of jumps. You will see progress over time. Don't be in a hurry. None of us are competing for a competition. None of us are in a race. Everybody is certainly in a race, competing only with ourselves. Don't compare, don't compete. Of course, yes, compete with yourselves. That's it for today's video. Enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care. And yes, before I say bye-bye, please do leave your comment, question, feedback. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to your comments. Till I see you in the next video, bye-bye.